Welcome to Neptune Enterprises, manufacturer and supplier of wiring and cable harness. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 2007 at Pune. Our products are applicable in automotive industry, and we export to Japan, Dubai, and China. Impeccable quality products, excellent conductivity, and flexible payment options are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide range of automobile, industrial, and white goods wiring harness. Our Teflon, car, and battery cable wiring harness are best in the industry amongst others. Two-wheeler, brass, and electrical goods wiring harness are available with us at cost-effective prices. We also provide cable, two- and three-wheeler wiring harness, that well known for their functionality. Wiring harness for automobiles, refrigerators, and washing machines are extremely reliable. Our wiring harness for LED lights and telecom wiring harness are superior in performance. For more information, log on at www.neptunewiringharnesses.com.